I was a general counsel for a publicly traded company for 10 years. And so I was the utility infielder for all their legal issues. And that's what my private practice has become, essentially for companies that don't have in-house counsel or who have an in-house counsel staff that is overloaded or not being able to turn to projects. They tend to bring me in to help deal with whatever the legal issues, a lot of contract negotiation, a lot of compliance issues, a lot of figuring out how to get out of litigation or to settle litigation. So I essentially continue to serve as an in-house general counsel, even though I'm doing it from an outside law firm perspective. One of the primary lessons I learned as general counsel was when there was a problem, when there was a potential litigation, was to do early intervention and try to find a way that we could work out a business solution that was good for both parties. Because as general counsel, my experience was litigation, even when you win, you lose. And there may be situations where it's life or death and you have to fight it out. But for the most part, if you're really creative, you'll be able to take a litigation and make it an opportunity that is a positive for the company rather than being an expensive drain on the company. What's really exciting is a lot of my clients that I represent are really growing dynamic companies, some of them in the clean energy sector, in the solar field, that are really making a difference not only in their community and with their employees and with their customers, but they're impacting the larger community. One of my clients is a solar company that has been very innovative in the way they put together solar fields that lowers the cost, which increases the ability of people to afford to put in solar fields. That really makes a difference. The Bone firm has really given me the freedom to do a very unique practice in my home county. Most of my clients are frankly located outside of the state of Tennessee. Bone's firm gives me the opportunity to represent them in a way that it services their needs, and yet I have a family of lawyers here. When I need expertise in other areas, I feel very comfortable going to them and getting the backup I need to be able to serve those clients' needs.